To hide photos and videos on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first you have to go into the settings and go into the security and privacy right here. From here scroll all the way down and here is the private safe. So let's go in there and we have to set a privacy password first in case you don't have already set one. So let's set the password, set your password right here and retype it to confirm the privacy password. And from here we have to set up the security question in case you forgot the security password, and you can also set up some custom question right here. So let's set it up, and additionally you can set the recovery email right here. Let's confirm it, and here is our private safe. We will be additionally asked if we want to use the biometrics data, which is the fingerprint or the face data, to unlock the private safe if you're doing it for the first time. But alright, anyways, we have this private safe right here, and we want to hide images and photos. So let's go in there, and from here you can hide them by pressing this plus icon right here and selecting any videos and pictures that you want to hide. Also, you can do the same, you can hide these pictures and videos from this Photos application. Simply select any pictures and videos that you want to hide and press this button, set as private. Press OK, and now it has been successfully set as private, and now you can find these photos and videos right here. Let's input the security password, and as you can see here we have one item.